Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Danny G. If you're new here, thank you for checking out my channel for the first time. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. As you guys can see already from the title of this video, I am going to be doing an unboxing. And by the way, thank you for giving me your precious time today. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. This is what the box currently looks like, and what's inside. We have the phone itself, the pen, the charger, and reference guides and terms and conditions and all that good stuff. Okay, so first I'm gonna grab my pair of shears and we're gonna get this bad boy open. Why do I sound like that? Sorry. Come on. And sorry about my fingers. They're looking rough. Alright. So, let me get this opened up. Oh my gosh, come on. Why is it being so difficult? By the way, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. That's why it's being difficult. Because I didn't... There you go. Much better. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. 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 Okay, is it just me or it looks like it's used? Okay, I'm confused. Big time. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like. Sorry about the red light glare. But I'm trying to have it okay, so that's much better. So, oops. Alright, you guys, so the first thing we get out of the box is the wall adapter. I've never seen this type of wall adapter before, but it only has the Type-C hole in, which is kind of weird. Next, we have our cord. This cord, to be honest, is too short for me, so I am currently using my Chromebook charger. And the weird thing also about this cord is it has Type-C on both ends of the cord. And what I realized is that there's no Type-B at the end. I don't know if that's the new trend, but I'm not really liking it at the moment. We'll see. And that's pretty much what's going on. Next, we're going to move on to this, deck of papers they always put in these phones that nobody reads, but I guess it's mandatory for them. It's the terms and conditions, quick guidance, yes, but you know us millennials, we know this. We have our SIM pusher, which is a very handy tool. I didn't know that until, I believe, last year, what it is used for. Your girl's late. But anyways, alright, you guys, so for the color of the phone, I chose the Mystic Bronze. To be honest, it's looking more like a rose gold because if you guys seen my previous video, I got a watch, well, my man did, for me, and it matches kind of like the rose gold, and I was like, okay, this is cool, whatever, so I'm gonna be matching 2021. Now, seriously, it is very different from my Note 8 phone that I've had. The back is different. There's no like logo of what type of Note it is. It just straight up says Samsung, which is kind of weird. I'm not used to that yet either. But so whenever people like ask you what type of phone you have, you'll have to tell them. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and turned on the phone. I'm not going to go throughout the whole process on how to set up the phone because this is just an unboxing. But you guys, let me tell you, there is no headphone jack on this phone, sadly. Comparing to my Note 8, which did have one. Another thing that I realized, hold on, before I tell you guys, let's look at the pen. The pen is very nice and sleek. And then another cool thing is I'm able to use this pen in the air, which I'm so excited to do. So yeah. So moving on. Another thing about this phone that I'm not liking at the moment is that I am not able to put memory cards in it. It only has a space for SIM card. I am very disappointed about that. I didn't realize that until I looked at the features and specifications, but the phone that I have does not take extra memory, but the other one, the Ultra, the Samsung Note 20 Ultra does. Now, comparing to my Note 8, I am very disappointed Samsung did this to us. Like, how could they? No, but I'm not gonna cry too much. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.